The all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia is a serious full-size SUV with serious convenience. This can be seen in its available hands-free power rear liftgate, which offers an easy way to access the cargo area when your hands are full. Here's how to use it. First, make sure the vehicle is off with the transmission in the park position and that you have your smart key with you. Next, walk up to the rear side of the vehicle, noting the location of the sensor icon that's on the right. Standing directly behind the sensor, kick your foot straight forward under the bumper using one fluid motion. Just remember to kick directly toward the vehicle instead of at an angle. Don't hold your foot under the bumper, as it may prevent the sensor from activating. This quick kick in and out is all it takes, and should be accompanied by 2 quick beeps. The first is for when the sensor recognizes the foot, while the second beep occurs once the liftgate starts to open. Now, step away from the rear of the vehicle to allow the liftgate to open, keeping in mind that it may take a moment. Plus, this feature also works for closing the liftgate too. Just do another kick motion. Alternatively, you can simply press the close and lock button and walk away, thanks to a walkaway function that recognizes when your key fob leaves a specified distance and automatically closes the liftgate and locks the doors. And that's all there is to it. True to its name, Sequoia goes big when it comes to offering convenience. For more information, visit toyota.com/Sequoia.